present here for the product launch. To my extreme right, we have Shreyansh as General Manager, and to my right, Meet Golwala, Production Head. To my left, we have Ishan as Marketing Manager, and to my extreme left, we have Aditya Jetty as Research and Development Head. And I, Pratham Jaiswal, standing in front of you as the MD of the company, yours. On the evening of 26/11, I got the news that my country's commercial capital, that is Mumbai, is attacked by 10 terrorists. I was shocked because everywhere there was bomb explosion and I got tense. And the worst part about that situation was our brave firefighters were also helpless. So at that point of time, I decided that I'll create such a product that can extinguish fire very easily and which can be extinguished by anyone. So my company decided to create a product as throwable fire extinguisher, which is named as FireEye. Fire has some key features like very easy to use, irrespective of the age. Like a boy of 6th standard can also use, and a grandfather of age 72 can also use. It's maintenance free, it's eco-friendly and non-hazardous. Means the person who's throwing the fire extinguisher won't get affected, and the person around the fire will also not get affected. And the key point to be noted that it is coming under portability pouch. It is a special pouch. The fire should be inside the pouch. If it is not there, and in case the fire drops down, it will burst. But if it is in portability pouch, it won't burst. We are a partnership firm, and we all 5 other partners who are contributing 10 lakhs each, and our factory is in Gujarat. So I would like to hand over the mic to General Manager Shreyansh.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Shreyansh, the General Manager of the company. So I am going to brief you about the 2 products that we are launching and the procedure of using the product. So first is the procedure. We begin by taking out the product from the pouch in which it is kept. Then we would hold it with our dominant hand, which for me would be my right hand. Then I would hold it and then raise my left hand and point it towards the fire. I would close my left eye and try aiming at the fire, and then while exhaling out, I would throw the throwable fire extinguisher into the fire. This exhaling out is important as it increases the power of our throw. The moment the throwable fire extinguisher strikes any object, the plastic bottle explodes, which releases a compound of ammonium phosphate and ammonium phosphate dibasic, which extinguishes the fire within 10 seconds. The extinguishing capacity of a product is 10 times better than water. The conventional fire extinguishers have 2 main disadvantages. First is that they require, we need to know the instructions of the instructions of using the product, which are very complex. And second is we have to go close to the fire to extinguish it. Doing so, we may injure ourselves. Thus, we came up with 2 new products. First is the thug tools, and second are the professional tools. The thug tools are generally small and weigh around 400 grams. They can cover an area of around 15 square meters, and they contain around 500 ml of the fire extinguishing compound. They are suitable for households, schools, offices and other small places. Second are the professional tools. They are bigger than the thug tools and weigh around 900 grams. They can cover an area of around 40 square meters. They contain around 2 liters of the fire extinguishing compound. They are suitable for shopping malls, factories and other big areas. Now I would hand over the mic to Meet, who will explain about the production.
I'm Meet, good morning. I'm the production head of our company, yours. Basically, I'm going to tell you about the production process and the substances which are used to manufacture our product. First, we thought of outsourcing our product to Japan, but then it was a little bit costly, so we started it in Gujarat. Because Gujarat is a resourceful place and it is also the industrial state, and Surat is the industrial city. So the products which are the substances which we use to manufacture product is first one is baking soda. Baking soda is very cheap and it is widely available. Plus it has many uses, so it won't go waste. Same with sulfuric acid. It is also cheap and widely available in India, and it also has many uses in it. So it won't go waste. So by using these two substances, we are satisfying the concept of maximum utilization of resources. Because if baking soda and sulfuric acid are not used in the manufacturing process, they will be used in some other work, because they are the conductors which can be used everywhere with anything. So we can use that resources, we can use that substances with some other thing. Then we have a specialized plastic bottle which we are going to pack, in which we are going to pack this baking soda, sulfuric acid and ammonium phosphate dibasic and ammonium bicarbonate. We'll prepare a solution and we'll just insert it in that bottle. You just need to throw it. When you throw it, so there's some pressure exerted in it, which will convert the liquid into gas, and that gas will help you to extinguish the fire. So now I would like to hand over this stage to Dishan.
I'm the marketing director of this firm. As our product is new, we will market it in the schools, colleges, shopping malls and other public areas. When it comes to cost, as you all know, we have two products. One is sub-tools and one is professional tool. Sub-tool costs around 5,000 and professional tool costs around 10,000. And a channel of distribution is of zero level, as we directly get it from our manufacturers from Gujarat and directly sell it to the customers and contractors. And we advertise our products in newspapers and magazines. And we are tied up with Clip-Up Factories and Hindustan Oil Corporation. Now I am to
Dr. Rangan, I'm the resource and development head of the company, yours. Our company conducted a market survey and feasibility study in which we came to know that in places like malls, factories, offices, schools and other places, fire outbreak is a very common thing, and which leads to more deaths and property damage. So we came up with this idea of getting this fire light, with which any person or anyone can use this and to extinguish the fire. Thank you.
You had just given a very good presentation. Initially, you mentioned that it's an eco-friendly product. But the main compound you are just using some ammonia. Secondly, you had also said about the sulfuric compound. But if you just see right now, we are having the problem like acid rain. This is causing because of this sulfur. So, what do you want to say about this?
We are using ammonium bicarbonate and ammonium phosphate dibasic, which are not as harmful as ammonia, and thus it's not that bad for the environment. And the lifespan of our product is 5 years. So in case you don't use the product, at the end of 5 years, we can the customer can give us the product, we'll replace it and give it back to you. So it's not that bad for the environment.
I have a question from R&D. Okay, you have made this, that is that, okay. So what is the type of container do you have in which you have that material inside?
Same as the professional one, because it's in a plastic, because when you throw it, it has to break out and it has to release all the same compound in it to extinguish the fire. So the thin plastic will, when you throw it with a force, it will break out and it will release the compound so that the fire will be extinguished.
Because what we have right now, the different techniques we have, just the material we have inside the iron ore in the steel. But how can you break anything throwing it in the fire?
It's plastic.
Okay, it's a plastic. Okay, the second question I have, that right now the government has approved the foam technique to fight with the fire. the foams we are using on the airport, in the hotels. Okay, instead of water, because foam generally helps very faster than anything else. So how you are going to confront with this strategy of the private companies now they are giving the foams instead of these on materials? What kind of marketing strategy do you have, and you are going to attract the customers in the market? Marketing, please.
We may give them subsidies, or we can tell them that this is much more safer than that, and we can even tell it's all like it's good product, and we can explain them what are the advantages of it.
When you see fire, the first thing that comes to your mind is to run away from there. But if you have that pouch, the thumb tool or the professional tool, so directly you can throw that and the fire will be extinguished. So that's why.